What is up, everybody? This is just a little bit of an update on the Skeptic Feminist murder trial. The trial of Alexander Kolpakov, aka Russian Deadpool, for the murder of his girlfriend, Heather Annabelle, aka Poison Ivy, both of the Skeptic Feminist channel. I am very, very glad that I checked the docket the night before the hearing that was supposed to be tomorrow, October 12th, at 1 p.m., scheduled for 4 hours, because it was deleted from the docket today. I showed Misty the docket yesterday, and I was like, hey, I'm going to this, and then I'm going to miss this one, and then maybe these I'll go to, right? And it was just yesterday I was showing her on this phone, and now the hearing's just deleted off the docket, removed, rescinded. Now, the hearing was to be the motion for a new trial hearing, which seems strange to me because that's something that you would usually do after a jury trial. But it was on the docket, and I was planning to go to it. It's not on the docket anymore. In fact, thinking back to all of what happened in the previous motions hearing that I was at, it makes sense because they pushed back the 3 experts in testing things that they want to talk to next, as far as witnesses for the defense for the motions to suppress evidence based on the destruction of evidence. They pushed those interviews back to the 17th instead of doing them on the 12th. So it could be that they just meant to not have that hearing anyway. It was just scheduled basically in error on the docket. So I'm really glad that I checked it the day before, because even checking the docket 2 days before was not enough to keep me from driving out to Grand Junction for nothing, which, as you guys know, that's like a 4-hour drive for me there and a 4-hour drive back. So I'm very happy that I checked, and I'm not going to show up there for nothing, except for chicken wings at Roosters. So yeah, the next hearing will be on October 17th, 9 a.m. for 2 hours, where they're going to interview those 3 witnesses for the defense, all related to testing the mushrooms in blood. And then I'm going to miss that one. Sorry, guys. I've missed way too many days from work, and it was scheduled with not enough advance notice for me to be able to go to it. And then I'm going to miss the next one as well, which is the Pretrial Readiness Conference on November 15th, which that's only going for an hour, and basically they're just going to say, are we going to have a trial or not? You've had all this time to try to come to a plea agreement. Did any come, can we avoid this trial? And if both sides are ready to just go to trial, then we'll know. Because, on November 16th, we'll be able to look at the docket to see if all the trial dates are still there. Now, I'm not going to start any crowdfunding as far as sending my ass to Grand Junction for 2 weeks to watch this murder trial and then report on it to you guys until after November 15th, because I have a good feeling that they might be able to come to some sort of plea deal where Alexander will accept manslaughter. I don't think that he'll accept murder, and neither did his other girlfriend, Laurathena. But I don't feel like it would be right for me to start asking for any sort of funds from you guys at all until after we are certain that this trial will happen. I've asked for those trial dates off anyways, and if the trial does not happen and I end up with a little 2-week vacation, well, then I'm just going to make the most of it. And you guys will get a lot of, like, sledding videos with me and a GoPro. Maybe even snowboarding. Maybe. But, other than that, the jury trial is set to start on November 26th. And it's finally... We can see a light at the end of the tunnel as far as this trial goes, and I really feel for the family of Heather, because they've been waiting for this for a long time, and yeah, by Christmas we're gonna know what the fate of Alexander is after this horrible tragedy took place. So I'll keep you guys in the loop, and see you next time.